Hi everyone, today I'll be making my favorite keto and low carb bread, which has a lovely oregano and olive oil flavor, and it's perfect for breakfast or sandwiches. So straight into the ingredients. I have 1 cup of egg whites with half a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to slightly whisk. After, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'm going to add wild oregano sesame mix. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon. To that, I am going to add a 1/4 cup of lupin flour. I find mine easily on Amazon. And then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of vital wheat gluten powder and then mix. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder and mix again. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to use an oven tray lined with parchment paper to spoon the bread mixture onto the tray. Then using an oiled tablespoon to shape the bread mixture into shape, I'm going to also sprinkle some olive oil on top, and then place into the oven for around 15 minutes till risen and browned. After around 15 to 20 minutes, our oregano and olive oil keto bread is ready. It's nice and golden, you can see on both sides. This is one of my favorite keto bread recipes to make, as it doesn't take much time and the bread always tastes great. Please try it out and let me know what you think. I'll be very happy to answer any questions, and until next time.